If you haven't noticed, we're way past normal when it comes to trucks. Forget about off-roading, towing, and carrying things around. Some of the modern units are all about high-yield horsepower, drag racing, and burning tires. In this episode, we'll demonstrate to you the newest muscle pickups that are rolling out of the custom workshops or even get stock performance packages from mass-market manufacturers. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News and do not miss out on a single new car release of 2021. Let's start the engines. Ram 1500 TRX. Ambitiously labeled the apex predator of the pickup world, the long-awaited TRX has already snatched the title of Motor Trend's Pickup of the Year, proving its domination potential. The model offers 11.8 inches of ground clearance, comes equipped with the exclusive Bilstein Black Hawk E2 shocks, and promises 13 inches of suspension travel up front and 14 in the rear. It also gets a full-time active transfer case and a Dana 60 solid rear axle. The truck takes advantage of the latest FCA supercharging skills, so its 6.2-liter Hemi V8 tops out at 702 horses and 650 pound-feet. This might is transferred through a CF 8-speed transmission to all four wheels. Being the most powerful engine to be fitted on a production truck, the mill propels the TRX to 60 in 4.5 seconds and ensures maximum speeds of 118 miles per hour. Hennessy Goliath 700 Harley Davidson. Previously known for its cooperation with Ford, in 2020 the Tuscany Motor Company created this limited 250-unit edition of GMC Sierra, inspired by the bikes from the legendary American manufacturer. A year later, Hennessy Performance is ready to apply its Goliath 700 supercharged upgrade to make the Sierra even more unique. The stock 6.2-liter V8 engine is fitted with a massive 2.9-liter supercharger that ups its output from 420 to 700 horsepower. The mill also gets improved cooling, revised air induction, and updated crankcase ventilation. The new drivetrain sends power to all four wheels and offers very brisk 0 to 60 acceleration of 4.3 seconds. This pickup boasts orange exterior accents, HG badging, 22-inch Fat Boy-inspired wheels, and 35-inch off-road tires. It also retains Tuscany updated suspension, sourced from BDS, and high-performance Fox shocks. Razvani Hercules 6x6. As the company names it, the god of all trucks is based on the regular Jeep Gladiator platform. The latter gets extensive bodywork modifications to accommodate the third axle, a heavy 8-foot-long bed, and hefty 37-inch wheels. The beast is fitted with a custom Fox racing suspension and Dana 60 axle, complete with air lockers, while the driver can switch between 2-wheel, 4-wheel, and full 6-wheel drive on demand. Apart from the stock Gladiator powertrain, the Hercules is also offered with the SRT's 500 horsepower 6.4-liter Hemi V8 and a supercharged 8-cylinder from the Dodge Demon. But in case of the latter engine, Razvani decided that the Demon's 840 ponies do not match the Hercules moniker and increased the engine displacement to 7 liters, pushing the maximum output to 1300 horsepower and 989 pound-feet of torque. Make sure to destroy that like button to support our channel and watch the episode till the end to get to the rest of the exciting trucks. Let's keep rolling. GMC Hummer EV. Despite receiving tons of criticism for unveiling a non-operational CGI-generated prototype, GMC assures us that they're on track to deliver the Edition 1 Hummer EV by the fall of 2021. The already sold-out trim will become the most capable modification of the truck in the lineup, and surely the most expensive one, priced at 112 grand. The tri-motor all-wheel drive powertrain puts out 1000 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque at the wheels, which enables the Giant to do 0 to 60 sprints in 3 seconds. The GM proprietary 800-volt Ultium battery architecture has estimated 350 miles range and recharge capability of 350 kilowatts, more specifically 100 miles in 10 minutes. This pickup will be manufactured at Detroit Hamtramck plant in Michigan, which is to become GM's first assembly plant 100% devoted to electric vehicles. Brabus 800 XLP Adventure. If you're no longer satisfied with turning the G-Wagon SUV into a more luxurious and powerful version of itself, Brabus decided to transform it into a pickup truck instead. Named the Adventure XLP, the model was designed to travel any wilderness and conquer all kinds of obstacles. The base G63 received numerous updates. Its wheelbase was stretched by 20 inches. The body was fitted with an adapted White Star wide body kit, protective skid plates, and naked carbon parts, while the suspension was replaced by the specially developed Brabus unit with portal axles. Additionally, the stock wheels were replaced by the company's monoblock HD rims with Pirelli Scorpion all-terrain tires, raising the truck's ground clearance to 19.2 inches. Finally, Brabus modified the engine with their 800 Power Extra Plus upgrade and created a custom interior with burnt oak leather upholstery, carbon fiber elements, and black Alcantara inserts. F150 by Milspec Automotive. The Michigan-based Milspec Automotive made its name as the Hummer H1 modifying expert, but this year they decided to expand their efforts to the Ford F150. Developed by the same team, the customized pickup gets a familiar aggressive look with custom LED lighting, front and rear Baja bumpers, extra wide fenders, and a low-profile roof rack. The Milspec truck bolts on 20-inch black Rhino alloy wheels wrapped with 37-inch off-road tires. The company also offers an optional suspension package that adds fully adjustable Fox racing shocks and long travel control arms at the front. The truck uses the Raptor's 5-liter V8 powertrain that is fitted with new fuel rails, new injectors, and better throttle body. As a result, the Mills maximum output is raised to 675 ponies and 620 pound-feet of torque. Hennessy Maximus 1000. While Jeep currently offers a $50,000 desert-rated Gladiator Mojave straight from the factory, those looking for unmatched performance and exclusivity, in addition to dune crossing capability, should look into the Hennessy creation. The truck was named after Maximus Meridius, a character from the Hollywood blockbuster Gladiator. Instead of the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, it is powered by 6.2-liter supercharged Hellcat V8 that is further boosted to produce 1,000 horses and 933 pound-feet of torque. To travel on all kinds of terrain, the model gets a 6-inch lift kit and a suspension upgrade, new wheels with BFG off-road tires, and more rugged bumpers. The Maximus will be manufactured in a 24 units limited run, 4 of which have already been delivered to the customers. Shelby F150 Super Snake Sport. Initially started as a simple research and development exercise, the muscle pickup concept presented at the 2019 SEMA eventually grew into a fully fledged production model. The Super Snake kept the majority of the specs, but added even more power into the mix. The 5-liter V8 was supplemented with the 2.9-liter Whipple supercharger, upgraded throttle body, spark plugs, and fuel injectors. The resulting dynamo tests are now showing 770 horsepower, while the stopwatch will barely manage to reach 3.4 seconds until the truck smashes the 0 to 60 sprint. The mill is assisted by the new exhaust system supplied by Borla. The Shelby Ford F-150 now wears a full aerodynamic kit, the suspension is lowered, and the truck is stopped by the Bayer brake system. Ravine R1T. According to the latest estimates, Ravine is expected to become the first mass-produced electric pickup to enter the lucrative North American market. The quad-motor all-wheel drive potential of its skateboard platform was developed with the overlanding adventures in mind, but 750 horsepower output is guaranteed to burn some tires on the pavement with 3 seconds 0 to 60 time. The launch edition gets 300 through 400 miles range, which is a courtesy of large and max battery packs. The R1T pickup rides on 20 all-terrain or 22-inch sport wheels, can tow up to 11,000 pounds, and has 3 feet wading depth. The original model is finished in special lunch green paint color, gets panoramic roof, and a unique gear tunnel that can fit a camping slide-out kitchen. The Ravine gets Driver Plus, a true hands-free driver assistance system, Ravine Elevation 360-degree audio, natural grained ashwood interior finishes, and heated ventilated seats with perforated vegan leather seating. Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Cyclone by Specialty Vehicle Engineering. Specialty Vehicle Engineering was founded by Ed Hamburger, the NHRA NED Drag Racing Hall of Famer who knows how to boost engines' performance. The company currently specializes in GM vehicles, owns a custom tuner Yanko, and works directly with the dealerships across the US. Their latest makes are based on the Silverado 1500 and GMC Canyon. The former receives an engine upgrade to the 6.2-liter LT1 V8 with an aluminum block, forged crankshaft and pistons, and CNC-ported heads. The centrifugal supercharger and custom quad-tip exhaust system force the mill to produce 800 HP and 720 pound-feet of torque. Besides, the Chevy truck gets a heavy-duty transmission, Brembo brakes, sports suspension, and striking exterior enhancements. In case of the GMC Cyclone, the engine substitute is a supercharged 5.3-liter V8 L83 tuned to produce 750 HP and 600 pound-feet. Plus, there is a slate of visual and performance upgrades. Both modifications are limited to 50 units. How do you like these beastly trucks? Would you like to see more releases of giants like these? Share your thoughts in the comments below the video and mention your favorites. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News not to miss new video releases in 2021. Like, share, and proceed to exploring other episodes which are suggested on the screen. We'll see you later.